Ever posted something on social media and instantly regretted it? Don't worry, we've all been there. And today I'm going to show you how to delete those moments using Hootsuite. Alright, let's jump right into it first. Log into your Hootsuite account, make sure you're on a desktop. The mobile app has limited functionality. Next, navigate to the Planner tab, usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where all your scheduled and published posts live. In the Planner, find a published post you want to remove. You can scroll through the calendar view or use the search bar if you know the publication date or content. Click on the published post. This will open a larger preview of the post. Look for 3 dots or an options menu, usually located in the top right corner of the post preview. Clicking the 3 dots will reveal a drop-down menu. Select delete from the options presented. Be careful, there is no going back after this point. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete the post. This is your last chance to double-check. Confirm your decision by clicking delete or yes. And that's it. The post is now deleted from Hootsuite and the corresponding social media platform. Remember that it may take a few moments to disappear from the actual social media site. Deleting posts on Hootsuite is a quick and easy way to maintain your brand's image and correct any errors. Stay tuned for more Hootsuite tips and tricks.